Welcome to River and Vine Mindful Living. Take a slow breath in and gently exhale. This moment is a soft awakening, a space to reconnect with God, to be reminded that you are not walking through this day alone. As Scripture says, the hour has come for you to wake from your sleep. The night is far gone, the day is at hand. So let us put aside the deeds of darkness and put on the armor of light. Let these words rise gently in your heart. This is a call to presence, not pressure. To wake not into noise, but into purpose. To step into light, not by striving, but by grace. Now imagine the warmth of early morning light touching your skin. Golden, gentle, unrushed. Let it cover your shoulders like a soft blanket. Let it rest over your heart like a shield of peace. This is the armor of light, not something heavy to carry, but something luminous to wear. You are clothed in clarity, surrounded by His presence, awake, but not alone. As you breathe, let this truth settle into you. You are already wrapped in the light of God. You are walking into this day not empty, but held. Take one more breath in through your nose and let it go slowly through your mouth. Thank you for joining me in this quiet moment with River and Vine Mindful Living. May you walk in light, steady, covered, and loved.